Hey everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. We will tie the hairs and then make the plaits on it like this. By taking the hairs from the sides, we will join the hairs like this. Now follow the same step for the other side. Tie the hairs together at the end as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now take small section of the hairs from it and join it in the between like this. Take the hairs from both the sides and fix them like this. Make the plaits by taking the hairs from the sides. At the end, tie all the hairs together at the bottom and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. After that, divide the hairs into two parts. Now by taking the hairs from the sides, we will make the plaits. Follow the same step for the other side as well. At the end, we will tie the hairs and make the plaits on it and fix it using the rubber band. After it is done, we will tie the hairs together as shown in the video. Fold it upward and fix it to make the bun. Fix it using the bun pin and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now make the plaits on it. Now fold it upward and fix it in the between as shown in the video. After it is done, roll down the hairs, tie it from the bottom and fix it to make the bun and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie half of the hairs. Now taking hairs from the sides, we will put it upward and fix it in the between, or you can say on the alternative sides using this hairstyling tool. Fix the hairs. Now tie all the hairs together, divide them into two parts. Now make the plaits on the downside like this. After that, we will roll it upward and fix it. Now taking the hairs we kept aside, we will fix it using the hairpins like this. Now make the plaits on it and again pull out the hairs from the sides like this. Roll it and fix it. And your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now make the plaits on the hairs like this. Make the plaits on small section of the hairs and keep few section of the hairs aside. Now tie the hairs in the between and then rotate it. Fix all the hairs together, roll it and make the bun out of it. Fix it. Now take the hairs from the sides, make the plaits on it and fold it around the bun and it's ready. Thanks for watching.